Shandong GoldeNest Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited, located in Qingdao City, Shandong Province, China, is an early enterprise which engaged in the design, research and manufacture of the automatic farming equipment for poultry and livestock. By now, GoldeNest Company has accumulated about 20 years' experience in technical innovation. In 2000, GoldeNest Company imported Germany-made, patented feed auger technology and produce lines. Now GoldeNest Company is a professional Germany feed auger manufacturer in China. They can supply the products as customers' requirement. GoldeNest Company has so many patent products and technology in total, and also has exported integrated equipment to many countries and areas like Southeast Asia, Middle East, South America, India, US, and Canada. GoldeNest Company has 2 factories area accounted, and main products include chicken broiler pan feeding line, breeder open throw chain disc feeding system, male breeder mattering cylinder feeding line, poultry nipple drinking line, pig feeding system, pig stall, galvanized feed silo, feed auger, poultry and livestock plastic slats floor, cooling pad and ventilation fan. Based on our customers' requirements and layout, GoldeNest Company could supply complete automatic poultry and pig farming equipment as a turnkey project. Our company sincerely invite you come to visit our factory to learn with each other and make long-term business cooperation.